So I have to rave on the little tiny waffle maker that I got from Amazon. Of course, it's teal. This is perfect for just a single egg, and you can top it with some cheese or whatever you want to put on it, but very little amount because the grill is a little small. All you have to do is plug it in. There's no on-off switch at all. Since it is so small, it heats up fairly quickly, so there's not a lot of wait time for that. After you've sprayed it down with Pam, just pour in your egg. Make sure it covers it evenly. Just close the lid and wait. I wouldn't walk away because again, this thing is so small that it cooks very quickly. So just keep an eye on it and the lid will start to lift as the egg is cooking. I would say honestly, it's maybe like a 2-minute cooking time. It's very, very quick. It lifts very easily off the grill, but I wanted to cook it just a little bit longer. And there you have it, a single egg omelet, and I usually add some salsa with mine.
Okay, today we thought we would try some cinnamon rolls. So we got these Pillsbury cinnamon rolls and we put them in the waffle iron to see how it goes. Okay, here we go. We got the cinnamon roll, got it in the oven, close it. Okay, looks like it's all finished. Now it's time for the icing. Okay, it's taste test time. What do you think?
That is really yummy though, like.
Do you like it this way better?
Yes.
There you go.
How did you melt it then?
Well,
Aquí está el waffle, un poquito más durito y